So many tasks but still can afford to finish. She's a lady with big mission. A mission to spread the word of networking. Introducing Remy V, a lady that never stopped working. A lady whose dream is to connect with people, a lady that carries everything under one roof. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome, Biz Talk with Remy V and NY. So many tasks.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, mga kapuso, kapamilya, and mga kabisto. Andito na naman po si Remy V sa thefilipinocentral.com para sa isang magandang paksa ngayong gabi na isa sa mga pag-uusapan ay ang ating pagpapaganda. Kasi ang isang special guest ko ngayong gabi ay isang pinaka-famous sa Pilipinas bago pumunta dito na walang iba kundi si Mr. Egay Hilario ng Salon 8 Fix. Yay!
Hi, how are you, Miss Remy B?
Hi! Magandang gabi,
Good afternoon.
kaibigan.
How are you today?
Oh well, lagi naman magandang kaibigan mo dahil sa'yo kasi
Very well
thank you
said.
po sa hair and makeup from Salon 8 Fix. Diba maganda si Remy B ngayong gabi?
And I take this opportunity to say thank you to Nolly Yu from Vistalk and Remy B. Hi, good afternoon.
Welcome na welcome ka dito sa aking programa dahil alam mo, ang Bisto ay gusto kong dito sa programang ito, kailangan lahat tayo lahat ng mga pinag-uusapan na business, kailangan mag-join kayo dito sa amin kasi katulad ni Egay, isa yan sa mga famous na may business na ang mga ginagawa ay talagang lahat ay pinag-uusapan. Kaya ano bang may i-share mo sa amin sa iyong pagka-famous na hairstylist? I know na you're a makeup artist. I-share mo sa amin para...
Well, first of all, I have my own business back home. And I deal with several actors and actresses. And I work with them also. And I work with McCann Erickson Advertising. I deal with print ads and commercial TV show, yeah.
Oh, dami pa lang talagang
That's my experience.
pinagkakabalahan.
Yeah.
Yun ang mga experience. And balita ko, napakadami mo ng award ng mga natatanggap sa iba't ibang mga events. Pwede bang i-share mo sa amin kung anong klaseng mga awards yan at kung anong pwede mong i-share para doon sa iba nating gustong magkaroon pa ng mga business na katulad mo?
Well, that happened to year 2000, and I compete with the men's hairstyling, and we're all about 380 competitors. So I become a first runner-up. So that's the thing that I came here because they invite me, they send me invitation.
Oh,
Yeah.
300?
80 competitors, yeah.
Oh my gosh, kaya talagang famous siya kaya nga nung marinig ko yung pangalan niya, nalaman ko na may business siya dito. You know, I know him since 2000. And then all my dancing people, sikat na sikat siya kasi nga nalaman ng mga tao na talagang hindi lang siya nananalo sa mga competition, and isa siya mga nagme-makeup sa mga beauty contest. Isa nga, one time na isama pa nga ako niya. I think it's Asia Pacific.
You're my assistant, huh?
Yeah, you know, I'm assistant. Kaya alam ko na talagang pagdating sa makeup, sa mga stylist, lalo na sa mga hair, o tingnan naman yung mga hair ng mga Remy B, nagagandahan, is isa po yung Egay Salon, talagang Salon 8 Fix po, talagang pinupuntahan niya ng mga tao.
Yeah, exactly. And when I got started here in the US year 2000, that's February.
What I met you know.
Yeah, it's been a long time, huh? So anyhow, yun, nag-start ako kay Ate Pearly for Pearly Salon for 6 years and a half, I think, yeah.
Okay.
And then after that, I rent a station at the Philippine Village. And then I went to Marley's for 3 years and a half, I think. So after that, I built my own business.
Then,
And my business is a salon place, yeah.
then overall, how many years ka na dito sa business na ito? From the Philippines to here? Gano'n na katagal ang business
Maybe
na?
about 12 years, yeah, I've
12
been doing
years?
hair here.
Wow, Wow, and how's the business going?
Going smoothly, yeah.
Smoothly?
And I have my one staff. His name is Winnie.
Oh, hi, Winnie!
Hi, Winnie.
Ay, nanonood siya ngayon ha. Kaya hi. Anyway.
Hi to Kat,
Oh, yeah.
Kuya Romy, and Mila.
Oh, okay. And I hear na isa ka rin sa mga makeup artist ng mga famous na mga actress and actresses sa atin. Kaya, pwede bang i-share mo sa amin? At saka, sino-sino yun? Kasi parang mga idol ko yun noon.
Yeah, I used to do the makeup of Rofa Gutierrez.
Ay, ganun? The
And
second
then,
runner-up?
Yes, and then
Wow.
Glidel Mercado, since she was in the That's Entertainment. Isko Moreno, now he is a vice mayor.
Ay, hi,
in
Vice
Manila.
Mayor.
Hi, Isko.
Alam mo, nakita
And
ko lang
then
siya.
Juan Rodrigo, yeah, I worked with Juan Rodrigo for 12 years, yeah. And what else? Maricardo Mesa,
Ay, ganun?
yeah.
Napaka-famous pala. Kaya alam niyo naman si Remy B nagiging famous kasi ang mga hairstylist
Wow.
at mga makeup artist ay mga famous kaya alam mo kakikita ko lang kay Vice Mayor Isko Moreno dito sa LA kaya
Actually, I met him in the airport, yeah.
oh yeah.
2 years ago, yeah.
Oh, okay. And ano pa yung mga pwede mong i-share sa ating mga manonood lalo na alam mo naman pinag-uusapan na tayo. Mga kapuso, sabi ko nga mga kapamilya, isama na rin yung kabistok nyo kasi dito pinag-uusapan laging business. Kaya lahat po ng may mga business na gusto nyong i-share sa buong mundo, globally po tayo, lahat po napapanood. Basta may internet, mapapanood po kami. Kaya thank you ng maraming salamat
And Nolly Yu.
sa aking mabait na direktor at gwapong-gwapo Mr. Nolly Yu.
Filipino Central.
The Philippine Central. And ngayon, ano pang pwede nating i-share sa ating mga kapamilya?
Yeah,
sa
well,
mga-
all I can say to all the viewers, I invite them to visit my salon, 4550 Garak Boulevard. It's Salon Fix. They're very much welcome all the time. And feel free to visit me. Yeah, thank you.
How about the number?
Telephone number 323-287-6933.
And, of course, you can call Remy B, 818-561-0819. And, mga kabisto, marami pa pong isi-share sa atin ang ating famous guest ngayong gabi. Kasi, sa dami po na ma-experience niya sa pagpapaganda, at saka, hindi lang po yun. Marami siyang competition na sinalihan, and marami siyang mga award dito natanggap sa LA. Kaya, you need to share everything to mga kabisok na mga nanonood ngayong gabi. Ay, hindi lang yan ha. Hi sa mga taga-London, yung mga kaibigan ko doon nanonood ngayon. Lalo na kay Ramil Rosales. Hi. O, diba?
Actually, I'm not showy, but all I can say, they approach me. I'm a very approachable person, and I cater with them like equally, yeah, to all my clients.
Okay, how about affordable ba naman yung mga
The price,
the price? Halimbawa, gusto ng mga katulad sabi nila, Remy, I like your hair color. Diba?
pwede may discount, depende sa approach. At saka depende sa friendship.
O gano'n, pag friendship, ibang price ng friendship. 75% Mari ha?
Minsan free eh.
Ganun na!
Mari!
Paano pagpapa?
I'll take the free.
Anyway, sa mga nagtatanong sa akin, kasi lagi nilang sinasabi, Remy, saan ba kami pwedeng pumunta dito? Kasi nababalitaan namin na may mga pinupuntahan ka na salon. Alam mo naman ako, mahilig ako magpaganda, lalo't ang mga hair dyan. Kaya, they asking, how much is your haircut? How much is your color? Yung mga ribbon mo? Ano ba talagang specialty mo sa salon mo?
Well, we specialize keratin treatment, hair banding,
Okay.
and then we specialize also coloring. Yeah, we're expert to that. Yeah, we do the color toning and how to work the color properly. And then my rate for the haircut for men's $15 to $20,
Okay.
and then for the girls 20 to 25. It depends on how
Long?
long their hair
Short?
was. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, But you know what? Marami kasing nanonood ngayon sa ating sa aking programang Bisto kasi gustong-gusto nilang makita at i-share mo kung ano yung mga dapat mo pang yun, alam mo naman ang mga lalo na kaming mga nagagandahan na medyo bumabata, dapat i-share mo yung secret mo. Kasi ako ang secret ko, Miss O Skincare. Diba? Yan ang may secret ko. Kaya dapat may secret din ang HP Salon. Ano ba yung mga...
H Salon Fix stressless. So, I don't want stress to handle stress.
No stress.
I keep my youth. I'm 51 years old already.
Ganon. At ano ba ang talagang personality and ano ba talaga ang Mr. Egay Hilario?
Yeah, very simple, humble person. Yeah, approachable.
Talaga namang napakaswerte ko kasi sa mga kaibigan. But anyway, ang aking mga ka-business pang iba, lalo ng aking Gano Life family. Hi mga kapamilya, mga kagano ko ha. Sige, trabaho lang kayo dyan. Kasi may coffee break kasi kami ngayon. Nasa Winit ka sila. Kaya bale, binabati ko kayong lahat dyan, lalo na sa CEO ko, Mr. Val Villar and Mr. Darius. I miss you guys, but tuloy ang coffee break. Dahil, nandito ako ngayon sa isang magandang programang Bistok na The Famous, ang aking isa sa mga kaibigan at pinagmamalaking hairstylist ng LA na talaga namang mapagkakatiwalaan pagdating sa ating mga hair. Kaya, idagdag mo pa yung mga dapat nating malaman sa mga secret mo, sa pagpapaganda. Baka mayroon ka pang pwedeng i-share sa amin kasi yun ang hinihintay ng ating mga ka-business. Kaya nga, sabi ko nga dito sa Bistok, pinag-uusapan natin lahat business.
Well, the secret is you have to deal with your clients honestly.
Okay.
And then you're honest to them also, and what they like and what their dislike when it comes to beauty, their weaknesses.
Okay.
So
Good.
that's the secret. Yeah.
Oh, okay, see? Yun ang sinasabi ko. Dito kasi sa Bistok, kailangan sabihin mo kung ano yung pwede mo i-share about your business. And that's a good answer kasi yun ang mga sikreto ng isang business eh. Hindi lang dapat mag-business ka. Kaya nga inaanyayahan ko kayong lahat. Bistok is your place to go to advertise your business. Lahat ng dapat pag-usapan. And Remy B, makakatulong sa inyo kasi kapamilya, kapuso, nag-iisang kabistok dito sa LA, thefilipinocentral.com. Thank you sa magaling kong director kasi siya po kasi ang nag-produce nitong show na Bistok para i-unite tayong lahat ng Pilipinong may business dito sa LA. And hindi lang po yan, buong mundo. Kasi ito pong Bistok, itong The Filipino Central, we are all over the world kasi globally po tayo. Once you have internet, mapapanood po kami. And lalo na po yung show ko every Thursday, 7 p.m. thefilipinocentral.com. And we're gonna pause a little break and we'll be right back sa famous
Bistok.
Hi everyone, my name is Remy B. I would like to invite you to watch my show entitled Bistok every Thursday night at 7 p.m. only here at thefilipinocentral.com with Noli You. Hi everyone.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday Star.
Woo! It's thefilipinocentral.com, and it's your boy Eric G, chilling with Noli You and Gigi Star. You know what time it is? Time for the show to start. Everybody, let's get hype. For Wednesday Star Talent's live. The noise round the world, stand up. It's time to get inspired. For Wednesday Star Talent's live. Talent's live. With your host, Gigi Star. And you know who we are. It's time for the show to start. Be known and be inspired. For Wednesday Star Talent's live.
sa nag-iisang bistok ng LA, dito sa thefilipinocentral.com, and sa aking special guest for tonight, Mr. Egay Hilario ng Salon H Fix. Okay, my friend, ano pa ba ang pwede mong i-share sa ating mga kabistok ngayong gabi? Kasi, ano mga services na pwede mong i-offer sa kanila? Like,
Well, my other services, as I'm doing wedding, of course, pageant, all the shows, runways, and debut as
Okay.
well. And yeah, a lot of services. Yeah.
a lot of services, okay. Baka, kasi kaya alam niyo naman, kaya nagtatanong ng inyong kabistok na si Remy, baka mamaya may mag-offer dyan ng kasal. Pwede baka yung mga hair ng lola mo dyan, pwedeng, kaya, dapat kasi, kasi ako medyo, ang kutis ko medyo maputi-puti ng konti. Anong pwede mong may share sa mga yung mga customer natin, mga nanonood, lalo na, anong dapat, ikaw ba may mga specialty sa mga...
Of course, I do airbrush makeup also. And then, usually my makeup brand, I'm using high definition when it comes to camera. It's stable, you know, the makeup was there. Like for 24 hours. Yeah.
Wow. Naku,
So,
sana
that's
naman
a
yung
secret.
makeup
High
ko
Yeah.
definition, no?
High definition
high
pala.
definition.
Naku, na high
And,
definition ha.
Yeah.
HD.
Naku, baka sila mag ano sa akin, baka sabi, naku Remy, kaya ka pala maganda, naka high definition ka ngayong gabi.
I know. Hindi, ano mga
And
kabayan
you're
namin?
asking about the skin. So I almost doing, you know, with your skin tone, so that the shades, it won't, you know, no, it's there's no gap, like
I mean, natural.
natural and blended, yeah.
O sige, natural naman yung skin ko ngayong gabi.
Like summer, you know.
Hoy mga kabistok, mga kapamilya ha. Kaya bale, ano pa yung pwede mong i-share lalo na doon sa one time kasi nakasama mo ako
for
sa mga beauty.
like summer, the trend for summer, for the hair, I prefer, you know, to advise all my clients to have light shades. At least they have highlights, yeah. And for the winter, I must go with dark.
Katulad ng mga hair ko ba yan? Pang summer outlook yan. Parang para pating naging modelo ako ngayong gabi. Anyway, masarap talagang mayroong...
Well, you look good.
Thank you. Lagi
All the time, ha?
All the time, yeah. Because of mga kaibigan natin kasi magagaling na mga
I know.
hairstylist.
Lagi nang
Consultant.
umusap.
Lagi, yeah, always.
Nagtatantalizing ang mga mata. Ano ba yan? Sana may mga katantalizing na si Remy B, di ba?
Why not?
Ay, naku. Sige. Okay, ano pa ba ang pwede na... Oy, isa pa pala. Mayroon palang pinag-uusapan na yung... Kasi nakasama mo ako one time sa mga beauty show na, alam nyo, naging assistant po ako ng Salon H Fix. Kaya, bale, I'm proud kasi talagang naka-guest ako no, nakalagay ang Remy, guest. Kaya, dun sa hotel talaga, para ako talagang, kaya lang napagkamalan ako ng mga beauty contestant, diba?
Well,
Hindi taga-abot ng ano na.
Good thing to know also because I'm doing all around. Usually, some of the makeup artists, they couldn't handle the hair, so I do both. So that's my adds to them, you know.
Yeah, kasi nga, nung time na yun kasi, bago kami pumunta doon sa contest, syempre pinaganda muna si Remy B. Naku, napagkamalan akong contestant, dadalhin ako sa stage. Ganun po kagaling ang isang ating guest ngayong gabi. Talagang nagkakaroon ng secret, kaya may secret, alam nyo naman. Skincare and Salon
Fix, yeah.
Fix sa mga hair and makeup dyan.
Okay.
Kaya, ano pa ang pwede mong, alam ko marami ka pang pwedeng i-share sa ating mga kabistok ngayong gabi, sa mga kabisnes natin na yung pong gusto nga magsimula ng katulad ng ginawa ni Egay dito sa US, you can, you know what, you want to share to everybody kung ano man yung nalaman niya, kung ano yung naging experience niya. Kaya nga po nandito kayo tayo sa programang ito kasi ang gusto po ng the Filipino Central, magkaroon tayo ng unity tayo mga Pilipino, lalo na yung may mga business.
Yeah, that's right.
And ikaw ba willing mong i-share sa ating mga kabisto, kapamilya, yung kapuso, yung mga sikreto mo sa iyong pagiging success dito sa US?
Well, the secret for being a success business entrepreneur, you have to be patient enough and handle things, ups and downs, something like that. But honestly, you have to be, by yourself.
Nako. Alam nyo, kaya nga po siguro si Remy, gano'n, kasi napaka-patient ko po. Kaya hanggang ngayon, tingnan nyo, nandito pa rin si Remy. Naku, talaga nga, patient na patient sa lahat ng bagay.
I know. I know you for so long, ha?
I know. Diba, hanggang ngayon, magkasama pa rin tayo. And then,
through thick and thin.
siyempre naman. Ganun talaga yung mga tunay na magkakaibigan. But anyway, marami ka pa alam ko na pwede mong i-share sa ating mga, lalo na yung mga bagong magbibusiness sa katulad mo, may mga nagtatanong, paano ba magsimula ang isang salon age fix, lalo na kay Egay. But before that, we're gonna pause and we're gonna right back for Remy B.
Wednesday Star Salad.
Woo! It's the FilipinoCentral.com, and it's your boy Eric G, chilling with Nola You and Gigi Star. You know what time it is? It's time for the show to start. Everybody, let's get hype. For Wednesday Star Talents Live. The noise round the world, stand up. It's time to get inspired. For Wednesday Star Talents Live. Talents Live. With your host, Gigi Star. And you know who we are. It's time for the show to start. Be known and be inspired. For Wednesday Star Talents Live.
Okay, we're back to for my show, Biztalk, mga kapamilya. Dito po sa thefilipinocentral.com. Okay, balikan natin yung tanong ko kanina. Ano ba pwede mong i-share sa mga bagong magbi-business dito na gustong humingi ng advice sa iyo? Ano ba pwede mong sabihin sa kanila?
Well, kunting tiyaga lang. They have to wait when gonna be the right time to build a business, because it's really hard to handle it. So, I mean, it depends on your budget.
Depend on budget.
Yeah.
Wow. We need a lot of budget. Wow.
If you want to have a loan, that's fine. A small business loan.
Ganun.
Yeah, they can do that also.
Kasi naman yun naman salon mo parang nasa Beverly Hills. That's why.
Thank you.
Nako.
You like it?
Alam mo, ang salon po niya talagang maipagmalaki ko kasi talagang number 1, very clean. Number 2, napaka-organized po niya. Kaya very safe po kayong pumunta kasi lahat po ng ginagamit niya talagang malinis, very organized, and napakabait po ng dalawa talaga doon, si Winnie at saka itong friend ko.
Yeah.
They handle everything very well.
Yeah, I'm very proud also to have that kind of salon, because I keep every day neat and clean, organized. Yeah, like what you said.
Yeah, very clean. And
Text.
oh,
Text question.
my text question.
Randy Pagupani.
Uh-huh.
Do you think what is the best place? Siguro understand to set up a
Business.
business. Para siguro tinatanong where, what type of place to
Mhm.
go into, the best type of place
Mhm.
to begin with to set up the business.
That's the question for Randy.
From Randy.
Yeah, for to local lake. Yeah, it depends on how, because in my case, I build my my business where the area where I get started with. So advisable also you have the business with a big crowd, the residents or commercial areas.
You mean a lot of traffic, like
Yeah.
that you can start your business na pwede mong
Yeah.
mag-start ka. Oh, there's a lot of people texting and calling.
There.
Emma,
Emma, from Emma
Bruno.
in San Bruno. Wow.
Wow.
Isa yun sa mga mga taga San
Hi
Francisco.
Emma, what's the question?
What's the question? Thank you.
Thank you, Emma.
Kung sakasakali ba, tumatanggap ka ng credit card o check or
Yeah, I always do that. Credit card, Emma, and checks. Yeah, accept checks.
Checks too.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Emma. And sa mga San Francisco, hi. San Bruno? San Bruno is San Francisco.
Wow,
Okay,
that's
wow.
far down.
Ay, salamat po sa inyong lahat.
You see, maybe you have a lot of fan already.
Talagang San Francisco, San Bruno people. Hi, malapit na
Hi.
tayo magkita-kita dyan. Okay, and ano pang pwede mong i-share yung mga dapat mong pasalamatan or yung gusto mong batiin from the Philippines. Hi, mga taga-Pilipinas.
Hi, all my friends in the Philippines. And I say hi to Winnie, of course, my staff. Winnie, hi. And Kat, Mila, Kuya Romy. Hi to you guys. Kurt.
And to your family in the Philippines, mapapanood tayo, sabi ko nga, globally tayo.
Yeah,
buong
my
mundo.
nieces and my nephew. Hi.
Okay. And then, we'll be right back.
text ulit.
Oh, text ulit. Naku,
Wow, I have a
maraming
lot of
text.
questions.
A lot of questions.
Wilma,
From where, BFF?
Jan Nevada.
Nevada?
Nevada.
Wow.
Jan.
Jen. Oh my.
J-E-A-N.
From
Jan
Nevada?
Nevada.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, Jen.
Oy, yeah, mga taga Nevada, ha?
Ang lugar niya, Jan Nevada.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Is it hard to start a salon business?
Well, it's really hard to start a business, a salon business, because see to it you have a bunch of clients, of course, to start with. Because by the time if you have a lot of clients, so that's the right time you start the business. If not, better rent a station and then gather clients. Maybe in a few years you build your clients. There's a time you could build your own business.
Oh, taga Nevada yun, ha? Hi, sa mga
Hi,
taga
taga
Nevada.
Nevada.
Hi, Jane, thank you so much.
Jean, Nevada.
Jen Nevada. O, para taga saan siya? Walang Jean.
J-E-A-N. Nevada.
Nevada.
Baka last name nila, Nevada.
Ha?
Yung big last name niya, Nevada. Yung big ang last name niya, Nevada.
Hindi, nilugar. Text from Jean.
Wow, thank you,
Wow.
ha? Talagang, alam nyo.
Pangalan niya, Wilma.
Touch
Wilma.
naman si Remy B.
Talaga naman. Oy, thank you sa inyong lahat, ha? Talagang. Buong mundo talaga, hindi lang yung mga taga London na pinsan ko, Canada, Capistrano family, and yung mga friend ko sa Hong Kong, magkikita-kita na tayo dyan. And hindi lang yan, buong, yung friend ko na darating from Kuwait, darating siya, si Cyril. Good evening sa iyo, ha? And,
I also mentioned Abel Bacudjo, my famous couturier back home. Hi, Abel.
hi, Abel. What's Biztalk every Thursday,
Yes.
7 p.m. at www.thefilipinocentral.com. And, question. ano pa ang pwedeng i-share ng isang salon? 8-speak sa ating mga nanonood. Tingnan mo, lahat. Pupunta from Nevada, San Bruno, and the other one, BFF, saan nga ba yung Toloca Lake?
Wow.
Ang dami. Nako, thank you sa inyong lahat, ha? Anyway, you share something or...
Yeah, I think I already mentioned most of it. So
Okay, your telephone number, you can say that again.
you can reach me 323-287-6933. Look for Aga Hilario.
And Remy B, 818-561-0819.
Nandito sa screen.
Okay, you guys can read on the screen right now.
You can read on the screen. The number
And-
was there.
And then another text
Wow, we have several texts already.
and another call. From where? Don't tell me it's from San Diego. Oh my God.
From Uganda.
Usap muna kayo.
Okay, ano pang pwede nating pag-usapan sa iyong business na famous from Philippines to US?
Wow. Yeah, I have my salon 13 years ago in the Philippines. The name of my salon is Salon de Estilo by Aga Hilario.
Salon de Estelo?
Yeah. That's located at Camias Road, Quezon City. So it's just close by to ABS-CBN. So that's the time. I worked with Ate Ludes also, but she's done already.
Oh, Ate Inday Badida?
Yeah, he was
Wow.
there in my shop every day. TV station, top show, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's very good and very nice.
Okay, someone is texting again.
Gary, 88, Pineco lang.
Wow, mga taga-Tineco lang.
Hi.
Hi.
What is your salon hour?
My
Good
salon
question.
hour is 10 to 7. Usually on Sunday I close at 6. So 10 to 6, yeah.
Every day?
Every day, yeah.
Every day. Oh, okay.
But it depends on my schedule also. Like if my client coming late, like nighttime, I could deal with it also.
Okay, they want to have a appointment or they can go there for walking?
Yeah, they have to. I could advise they have to do the appointments because
by appointment?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I always see to it. My schedule was, in proper time.
Oh, okay. Anyway, salamat po sa mga nanonood. Okay? Another text. Okay? Before we do some commercial, okay? Pagbalik natin, you need to share kung ano pa yung pwede mong i-share dito. We'll be
Okay.
right back.
We'll be right back. Yeah.
Hello, everybody.
It's time.
Welcome to Wednesday Star Salad.
Woo! It's the FilipinoCentral.com, and it's your boy Eric G, chilling with Nola You and Gigi Star. You know what time it is? Time for the show to start. Everybody, let's get hype. For Wednesday Star Talent's live. The noise round the world, stand up. It's time to get inspired. For Wednesday Star Talent's live. Talent's live. With your host, Gigi Star. And you know who we are. It's time for the show to start. Be known and be inspired. For Wednesday Star Talent.
Okay, balik po tayo sa nag-iisang Biztalk ng LA dito sa thefilipinocentral.com and sa special guest Kung ngayong gabi, Salon 8 Speaks, Ega Hilario.
Thank you so much, Remy B.
Okay.
And only you.
Ano pang pwede nating idagdag sa iyong business ngayong gabi na pwede mong i-share?
Yeah, my closure for tonight's show is to all the viewers, feel free to visit my salon at 4550 Eagle Rock Boulevard, Los Angeles, California. And the name of my salon is H Salon Fix by Ega Hilario. And my phone number is 323-287-6933. Thank you so much, all the viewers of these talks.
You can see her. And Remy, 818-561-0819. And may bago po tayo ngayong labas. Dito po sa LA, ito po yung sinasabing Pinoy atin ito. It's free. It's new. 24/7, Filipino-American local over-the-air television. No monthly fees, just take note. Mga kabistok, no monthly fees, no subscription, is digital po television. Ito po ay from PhilAm TV. Ito po siya. And marami po tayong mapapanood na mga show dito na sabi nga, no subscription po ito, kaya free. Kaya tawagan lang niyo po ang Bistok, Remy, 818-561-0819. And, walang telephone number na nakikita ko eh. But anyway, ito po yung bago. Kaya, pwede po nyo akong tawagan. More details, just call me, Remy B, 818-561-0819. And, you can contact me din po dito sa www.filipinocentral.com. And every week po, 7 p.m., mga kapamilya, kapuso, and nag-iisang kabistok ng LA, but buong mundo, kasi globally po tayo. 7 p.m. Thursday, thefilipinocentral.com. And ito po yung bago natin, PhilAm. And more details po, call me Remy. And ito po yung sinasabing Pinoy atin ito. Kaya I'll give you more details, just call me.
Thank you, Bistoks.
And closing na. Commercial. Okay, we'll be right back.
My name is Remy B. I would like to invite you to watch my show entitled Bistok every Thursday night at 7 p.m. only here at thefilipinocentral.com with Noli You.
Live! Filipinos worldwide!
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday Star.
Woo! It's the FilipinoCentral.com, and it's your boy Eric G, chilling with Noli You and Gigi Star. You know what time it is? It's time for the show to start. Everybody, let's get hype. For Wednesday Star Talents Live. Pinoys round the world, stand up. It's time to get inspired. For Wednesday Star Talents Live. Talents Live. With your host, Gigi Star. And you know who we are. It's time for the show to start. Be known and be inspired. For Wednesday Star Talents Live.
Hi! Dito po ulit tayo sa Bistok, thefilipinocentral.com. Every Thursday po yan, 7 p.m. Dito po mga kapamilya, kapuso. Kaya kung gusto po ninyong mag-join sa pinag-uusapan dito ay panay pong kabisnesan lamang. Kaya po business talk. And then, marami po akong gustong pasalamatan ngayong gabi. lalong-lalo na po sa pamilya ko, Baldoria family na Philippines, kay Troy and Kiana, I love you mga baby, and sa mga taga Hong Kong, yung mga friend ko dyan, kay Tess, kay Esmer, Maring Marilyn, and then dito po sa LA, yung mga kagano life ko, Joven and Maricar Cabasag, thank you so much, boss. You guys make my dream come true. And of course, sa nag-iisang Noli Yu and kay Marin Joanne, thank you so much for giving me a chance na magkaroon ako ng programang makakatulong hindi lang sa ating mga kababayan, sa buong mundo po. Kaya kung gusto ninyong ma-share yung mga kabisnesan nyo dito, Biztalk po ang dapat nyong tawagan. Remy B, 818-561-0819. And sa mga ka-coffee break ko from Winnica, dyan po sa Bali, ang nag-iisa ko pong CEO, Val Villar, Darius, Manolo, Al, and David. I'll see you guys soon. Oh, you have a project for me. Just take note. I have a good partner right now, and we're gonna do some show. And then, I call you soon. And sa mga lahat po ng mga taga-LA, and yung pong mga nag-text, mga nanood ngayong gabi, salamat po ng maraming sa inyong pagtitiwala, lalo na po dito sa The Filipino Central. And together, we can build a strong Filipino Central.
With Noli Yu.
With Noli Yu.
And Remy B.
Viewers and not necessarily reflect to those of the syndication partners, management, our hosts or advertisers. While we make every effort to give our best shows possible, we don't guarantee a 100% accuracy in terms of advices or something. www.thefilipinocentral.com, its hosts, partners, advertisers, or any other related show are not liable for any damages occur in any way. Please note that this program is for entertainment purposes only.